Welcome dear friends again to my YouTube channel Geotechnical Engineering Consultancy. Today I will be telling you all about geotechnical investigation for pile foundations for buildings, its prerequisites and criteria, that is the guidelines for deciding borehole termination criteria during geotechnical investigation when we go in for doing soil testing etc., where it has been decided due to some other reason that pile foundations are to be provided on that very particular building sites in soils. Now, how to decide the minimum investigation depth required? The basis for buildings as per Indian Standard Code IS 1892-2021, Subsurface Investigation for Foundations Code of Practice, Second Revision, and also it has been referred to for these very cases for tall building foundations as per Indian Standard Code IS 16700-2023, criteria for structural safety of tall concrete buildings, first revision. Now, it's very simple. Clause 5.6.3.2c, the depth of investigations of Indian Standard Code IS 1892-2021 for pile foundations in soil suggests, what this clause suggests is that the complete subsurface investigations of soil strata where pile foundations are proposed for building sites shall be carried out with advanced planning along with the in situ pile tests. Now, the following guidelines may be followed for adopting the depth of investigation, that is how to decide the depth of investigation in such very cases where the buildings are to be built on pile foundations. Now, what the code says is that the depth of investigation shall be sufficiently below the expected founding level of piles, that is the pile tip, or what you can say is the pile termination level expected proposed in that very particular case, but this should not be less than 5 meter or 5 times the diameter of the piles. That is, अगर कोई पाइल टेप हम मान लीजिए ग्राउंड लेवल से 15 मीटर नीचे रेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो उसके बाद 5 मीटर इन्वेस्टिगेशन डेप्थ हमारे पास होना चाहिए, लेकिन अगर वो 1 मीटर की डाई की पाइल है तो 5 टाइम्स द डाई मीन्स 5 मीटर वो भी हो जाता है, लेकिन अगर भाई 1.2 मीटर डाई की पाइल है तो 6 मीटर, दैट इज द मैक्सिमम ऑफ द 5 मीटर और द 6 मीटर, मीन्स के द टर्मिनेशन क्राइटेरिया शुड बी 5 meter below the pile tip or 5 times the diameter of the pile, whichever is more beyond the estimated pile termination level. Next, what the IS Indian Standard Code IS 16700-2023 states is that as per clause 9.3 of its, all geotechnical investigations where pile foundations are to be provided need to establish the safety of the building considering liquefaction potential analysis of that very site also as well, along with the soil spring constants and modulus of subgrade reaction values, so that it helps the designer in designing the pile foundations. And the clause 9.4 of it also states a very important line. The clause is depth of foundation suggests that the embedded depth of foundation of the building shall be at least 1/20 of the height of the building proposed for pile and piled raft foundations, excluding pile length. But this requirement may be realized in the following two cases: when the foundations rest on hard rock or when there is no uplift under any portion of the raft in any service load combination, and provided the minimum competent founding strata requirement is fulfilled. Thank you. Namaskar. Thank you for your patient hearing. You all are welcome to follow my previously uploaded 1 and 10 videos on this channel of mine, which was previously named as Geotechnical Engineering Consultancy Tips. Now it's Geotechnical Engineering Consultancy. My YouTube handle at the rate Geotechnical Tips Anurag Kapoor 79. You can find me on that. You can also find me by typing Geotechnical Anurag or Anurag Geotechnical and my channel's name. My contact mail IDs are consultgeotech0971@outlook.com, Anurag Kapoor 16 @yahoo.co.in, and Anurag Kapoor 16 @gmail.com for any consultations in geotechnical engineering, including ground improvement, etc. Thank you very much.